What's up guys, I'm James, and welcome back to the Great Gambino channel. In this video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Oculus Quest 2 Elite strap. We will be comparing it to the stock setup as well as the Quest 1 strap. In addition, I will be showing you how to attach this to your headset. Now I did order this originally when the Oculus Quest 2 first released, but Facebook eventually canceled my order. I know they had issues with the durability, and this is a new wave. Recently, the option to purchase became available again, so I'm guessing they addressed and fixed the issue. I'm not going to stress test it as it took a long time to get the strap, but I will let you know in the weeks and months to come if I have any issues. Without further delay, let's unbox the product. The main box is covered with a marketing sleeve that we can slide right off. The Oculus logo branding is printed on the front of the shoe-style box. Flipping open the top lid, we will see the main product, and underneath that is a safety, warranty, and quick start guide, all collected in a tiny credit card style holder. Pulling off the last piece of protection exposes the Elite strap. Finally having it in my hands, I can say that it feels flexible but firm. Unfortunately, I have never experienced the original wave of this item, so I cannot confirm if this is an improvement. The back rubber crown portion is thick and pliable for a comfortable grip while wearing, in combination with a quality strap to line across the top of your head. The circle portion on the back can be used to adjust the headset. Turning to the left will loosen, and turning to the right will tighten it. When looking at the original Quest headset, it is shaped to cradle the back of your head, similar to the Elite strap, but the rubber is more flimsy and it lacks the stability of having an adjustable plastic combination. The overall construction is more supportive. Not only does it conform securely to your head, but the design reduces the front heaviness of the Quest unit. Once this is installed, it is a decent step up from the Quest 1 strap. In comparison to the original Quest 2 strap, it's a major upgrade. The elastic strap is a similar experience to the feeling of wearing ski goggles, with the sometimes uncomfortable compression on your head and lack of counterbalance that is much improved on the Elite strap. Real quick, I'll show you how to install this accessory. The first thing you want to do is gently remove the facial interface. The second step is to detach the soft strap. You want to look close up to where the inner seam is. This is where you will be able to pop the strap off. Make sure to be careful so you do not snap the main piece, because it is permanently connected and houses the onboard audio. Then detach the soft strap on the other side. Now you will need to remove the Velcro strap, and you are ready for installation. Just as you remove the soft strap, you will connect the Elite into the same position. Keep in mind, this will require some firm pressure to snap in place. Repeat on the opposite side, and make sure when you are installing that the Velcro strap is on the top so you do not install it upside down. The last step is to attach the center portion, then you are ready to rock. Looking at the two side by side, the Elite's strapped improved adjustability is going to be a good thing for those with a smaller head. In addition, it will also provide a much more secure grip to your head while playing. Once testing this out even for a short period of time, I don't think there's any way I can go back to the original stock strap. It's a night and day experience, and I definitely recommend this product to anyone that is playing on the Quest 2. Thank you for watching this video and sticking with us all the way until the end. I definitely appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one.